Hello, good morning. Our project in object-oriented software engineering subject is of food ordering system. We have used Windows Forms as platform for developing our project, SQL Server database as a database, and C# language for following the object-oriented approach. So let's run it. As you can see, when we first run the project, the first form that appears is login form, and if user do not have account, he or she can also sign up for the first time. I have the account, so I will log in. So as you can see, there is a users table in database which is used to authenticate user data, and when user logs in into system, it shows simply message that welcome and username, and this form is dashboard form which shows all list of all the nearby restaurants and their data such as name, address, rating, which is also coming from another table name restaurant, and all these restaurant names are also clickable. What that means is when we click on one of these restaurant name, corresponding menu of that pops up. So let me demonstrate that. As you can see, I clicked on Domino's, and list of all items in Domino's menu is appearing, and all items are also stored in one database, one table name item. As you can see, so such attributes are like name, category, type, status, and as you can see, for Pizza Hut there is another menu, and that is linked by foreign key of items and corresponding that restaurant. And these all items are also clickable, same as this. So when we click on any item, let's say this, then name of that item shows up in another form name item option. That stands for item and all available toppings that can be added to that item. Now all these toppings are generated via static factory item, and the addition of these toppings into base item and corresponding cost is calculated by following decorated design pattern. So without moving further, let me first demonstrate you how things work in our project. So as you can see, this class is topping factory class, which is used to generate topping all the list of toppings for a specific food item. So as you can see, there is one method in which the name of the food item is passed, and based on that, all the toppings related to that food items are generated and returned. And as you can see, this class is item class, which is base class is our our decorated design pattern. This is that component class which is abstract. All the food item in any restaurant menu extends this class. So as you can see in our project, there is one class named pizza that extend that item class, and there is also one method called cost which returns simply the base price of that item. Another class is topping decorator, which is this class decorator. It is abstract class implement extends that item class and also holds the instance variable of that item class, and all the toppings of any food items implement this class. So as you can see, for example, there is one topping named capsicum, so that extend that class and calculates cost from the instance that it is decorating plus its base price. So this is how things work. Now let's continue with our demo. So as you can see, there is a list of food item, and as I click on it, one pop-up shows up. Here I can add any toppings. As you can see, price will be increased that where I topping, and if I uncheck this, it will simply reverse it. So let's add two toppings, and when I click, it is added to cart. Now there are some static classes that used in our project. One class is login info class. which is holding the login info. Then another class is this topping factory, which is also static. Cart is not static class, it is a object of that class is created for holding all user data along with all items in the cart. So as you can see, item is added in the cart, and if we want to display the cart, then simply click the button. So this form displays all the items in carts. There is one item farmhouse, and there is corresponding price, and all the extra toppings that are added to it. Now we are traversing the decorator object from its outermost to the base class, and in the way we are extracting all the names of the objects that are being decorated, and by that method we are retrieving this whole list of base class as well as topics. We can also remove that, and can add also another item, and simultaneously price will be there, and in the end we can place the order, as you can see. So this was small demo of our project. Thank you.